Alright everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video we'll see how we can boost the sound of Spotify. Most of the time when we install Spotify on our iPhone or even iPad or even on our Android device or even on our computers, what we do is just install Spotify and start listening to music. But there is something you can follow to enhance the experience of Spotify. If you follow my channel, then you know I'm a diehard Spotify fan. I use Spotify each and every time while I'm working on my website, even when I'm working on my thumbnails or things like that, or in general editing photos. So in today's video we'll see how we can boost the sound quality of Spotify for totally free. It's inbuilt into Spotify and it can enhance your Spotify listening experience like to the next level. And it also depends on your headphone. I'm using a pretty good premium quality headphone, and that's the reason I think the audio feels much better. One thing to be noted, that is, if you are just listening the music out of your smartphone's speaker, then the sound quality will have zero enhancement. But if you are using a premium quality headphone like the AirPods Pro, or even the Edifier headphones, or Sennheiser or Audio Technica, Bose, brands like that, like those are premium brands, then this setting will affect much more. So here's my Spotify account and let me show you my setting. Here is the setting. Just click on the setting, and after that go to the playback, and after that click on equalizer. And here is my setting. Not only for pretty much everyone who download Spotify for the first time, they will have this setting enabled on their account, but this setting will not produce the quality I'm talking about. So whenever I'm listening to Spotify, I don't use this setting. Right now I'm connected to my AirPods, and if I play this music, this will be a little different. So here's my word. Whenever we're using this equalizer, like this flat audio, the audio will not be pumped up, the bass will not be that amazing, the vocals will be kind of okay, but the bass, the thing we like the most, will not be that amazing. So for my personal preference, I go to the equalizer enabled. Here you can see I've enabled the equalizer. Previously it was disabled. Right now we'll enable the equalizer, and after that simply drag down and click on R&B. Here you can see R&B. You can see this R&B. Click on this one, and now you can see the audio is a little different. So this side is the bass. If we increase this one, the bass will be so much. If we decrease this one, the bass will be down. This is the thing. We want the audio to be R&B, and with that a little bit of bass boost that I like the most. And if I play the audio right now, that's my boy, that's the sound I want. It's not like my preference, I don't like this one, but if I enable the equalizer, and oh, that is the pump I want, that's the pump I like the most. If I disable this one, like it's flat, it's very flat, enable this one, it's amazing. But if I go for the flat one, it's not the way how I enjoy the audio. So I'll go for this R&B with a little bit of bass boost. Ooh, that's the thing I want. Be sure to use the R&B with a little bit bass boost. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys found this video any helpful, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, because there will be many more interesting videos. I hope you'll enjoy each of them, any of them, every one of them. Yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.